Okay, we're starting to stain now. Starting with the gray stain. Don't forget, we practiced this. Kim practiced this. So she has a technique that she knows works to get the effect that we want. Right? And the effect is something like that. Okay? Little gray, little natural, little brown. Okay, so this color, this is called Classic Gray that she's putting on right now. Min wax color. Do you know what the other color is, dear?
No, I wrote them down.
I'll get that when we start putting that on. Now after we distressed it, right, we did everything that we wanted to. I went over the whole thing again with 40 grit sandpaper just to smooth out these corners, right? So it really it looks worn, not fresh. So we got all the little fuzzies off. There's my whack that I did with the machete earlier. Right, so all of these are just rounded off, smoothed off. Before she began, I blew it all off with the air compressor. Okay, so you get the idea what we're doing here. When she gets to the next color, I'll do that too.